In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal. We need some information from you. So when you get this error, it indicates that PayPal has placed a limitation or hold on your account due to security reasons, like unusual activity, regulatory requirements, or incomplete verification. So the first thing you want to do is you always want to go ahead and check the PayPal Resolution Center. To do that, you guys could just open up another tab and just look up PayPal Resolution Center. Okay, so yep, here it is, and obviously you guys could also find this option in the PayPal application itself, but let's just go ahead and press on the Resolution Center. There you go, and basically you should see a notification telling you about your limitations on your account. So if there's like an issue with your account, then it should actually appear over here, and thankfully we're all good here. But obviously if you're running into issues, then you should see something over here, and basically it is going to tell you what you need to do in order to actually fix your PayPal account. So some of these messages might include like proof of identity, proof of address, proof of social security number, business info, or transaction details. And from there, you just want to go ahead and fill out the entire process. So sometimes you will need to like take a picture of your ID, or you may need to go ahead and send in like a utility bill to prove your address and stuff like that. So there really is a lot of different options. There's a lot of different causes for this issue, but it should actually tell you what the problem is over here. And more importantly, it will tell you how to actually fix it. And just as a general rule of thumb, please make sure to always verify your PayPal account. PayPal may need to confirm your identity for security or compliance with regulations. So if you're running into any issues, a lot of times it could happen because you haven't already verified your identity. And guys, what you could also do is go to the top left and select on your profile picture, and then go ahead and press on account settings. From here, it is then going to bring you to a page where it is going to tell you like your PayPal information and stuff like that. And basically you just want to go ahead and check that everything is correct, and of course that you are able to go ahead and verify your account. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.